That why is it that we don't have a formidable OCDU that will cover every OCDU resident in every state? That's the point I want to make clear, because we can't wave that out. That question was raised and no answer was provided. So it's better to address it and then chart a way forward. Thank you.
Are you not tired?
Thank you very much, sir.
Other clarification, explanation based on 3 papers presented. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon. When I go in the car, I'm not going to an issue. Over that, oh, you put it in that. I got it in the formidable OCDU. The formidable OCDU. And what informs the formidable OCDU? An OCDU that has membership that is acceptable to the time. Let's have a credible election. And then it is from this credible election, what is important for the community. I think I hear about the culture and thing about this, about the financial goal. That now we have a formidable OCDU. They'll be able to interface with the custodians of the culture tradition, no matter what should be right or not. If you look at how did you really now, not take us forward. I want to use this opportunity also to thank the functionaries of OCDU in Abuja for charting the right course. They are on the right path. You know, you have provided a platform for people to bring ideas. I listened to Prof. Prof came up with a very, gave us a synopsis of how we could have started. Look at the video over. Look at with the law, I didn't become and I'm sorry to say this, but the politicians came in and brought in, so a lot of things came into being. Then OCDU became dead. So there's need for us to revive the OCDU as a formidable platform.
Amazing thing. I just talk and then I think of the vision. I can now find them for the woman. The vision is a real one. I didn't name anything. If I don't know how to go to, I'll put a deep in I'm going to put a can. And then look up them. I'm not going to and I'm not going to change my time. That's not you. The breakdown of law and order may be from families. If I took it at all, who told you? I can't and a picture. Full disaster. Who might took it at all? In the China, and then many children, they get to families here and they were associated. Or more we say issue. As they are doing, because there's no problem, and I'm not in this area. So people are complaining about it, and the government, okay, so you name me. Who wanted to get out of the nke maka na nke wepụ anyị amabụghị ka anyị kwuo amabụghị ọ nga nchika nkwado ekele na mụ na standing of the existing protocol.
Thank you, ma'am. You will help us with the observation and remarks.
Mbon. Ona kuna ipana na. Argeje na oge ife dị mma. Anyị na-anya China oge elu ife dị mebime. Ana makọdị afọ mmadụ. Ife dị mkpa gosi oge ife dị mebime ọ gịnị mere o jiri mebime. Ihe ma wọ ụzọ ndị dị n'ọmụma ya, ihe ma amaghị oge o ji agbakọ. Isikwara ụzọ o siri meme, ndị oge ahụnyara ife jọnjọn enye mmadụ anọ pụtara onye isi bụ Dr. Uche Ọkara. Ya bụ mmadụ anọ were do all the branches of OCDU nationwide. Ndị Abuja ọ nọrụza afọ ndị anyị na-akpọ ọ bụrụ the committee of chairmen and secretaries of OCDU nationwide. Agbanwe mbọ ka eme election. Ebicago. Esiri Zongmani. Every group. There are shorty. Now we know she's in the you know not that you can do good. A human. I have committee. Let's by Simon when you see the committee. Yaka, who? And the proposal. Get me a Ogo. You need to get a photo. What would you fellow or if a move? Any fee or them? Oh, that is Ogo. Even my ship, I demand you to come to the unit. Oh. Oh, we are content. Ejani who Ekari any election any election at a government and guys you not carry and you from government is the fourth time. Karena OCD kan kan sih orang kan OCD, anu dunia tu faktor. Kali jadi, orang ni kucingnya ya, tak apa, orang ni kira ni lah, kamu kira ni siapa kan? Orang ni kucingnya ya, muncul jadi lagi, orang ni ada kucing. Emengenani, ekwe, urusan nama dia, orang macam. So, different. Enak mungkin. Ini jenis technical expertise. Urusan bukan dia lawyer, Komando aku, kamu pun itu. Kita akan jadi of guest members. Okay, after relation, each incident. I will know you. Cut across our job, we shall be. Who don't bless you, chief? If you are not the girl, she didn't hear the dog. What's the name of the point there? Oh, I did take off. And the lawyer, Diana, you can't know. You got to sign. So, you don't know. You go, why don't know? Kita lawyer tu, what better than even later? iji without technicalities abịa jereje eme election. What will government ask of people and mere election and then the same also na cause for them. Then OCDU will now channel or rather look at the important. How many questions are you winning?
Thank you very much, sir.
My elder brother inducted teachers, which are one of them. And no. He didn't say me, but I'm of a political party.
My chairman, when I had if a prof, like able to say, pushing government, work worker, I can't get because when the government is bringing out people to be representatives in the community, whose interests are they projecting? So these are the issues. So people, political class, are they projecting? So these are the issues. So people, class, let us tell ourselves the truth. Are they projecting? So these are the issues. So people, class, are they projecting? So these are the issues.
Absolutely.
Are they projecting? So these are the issues. So people, class.
Mr. Quintus, for their submissions. If I need my metaya, it will not work. Except you have a functional town union. How do we have a functional town union? Professor Felix, I listened very carefully to his presentation. As a teacher, he was very, very careful. But let me say it how it is. OCDU problem started with succession problem. OCDU problem started with only a teacher or chi also. So that problem was cured when the constitution of OCDU was amended. OCDU constitution was amended. Professor Felix, how many meetings of the committee that amended the OCDU? Professor Felix, how many meetings of that committee that amended the OCDU constitution? Hold on, about the now, at the end of it, they introduce a board of trustees. Now, OCDU constitution. That board of trustees was saddled with the responsibilities of one, conducting OCDU election to ensure that the incumbent will not manipulate himself back. When we finish with that one, we now had a meeting where several branches came to elect who will be the chairman and secretary of board of trustees. Two people came up and contested, late Senator Francis Akonzeribe and Dr. Akita Wellington Okam. Senator Zeribe won as the chairman of BOT. Mr. Wobi, Barrister Wobi, won Mrs. Mercy Adigwe as the secretary. 2 days after that, Ogbuagu Tausoman Neburi Bom Ganu put around. Nifere na obi di fukuta na waka kuana. Now, the then governor of Imo State introduced a law which tried to regulate the operation of town union. That law was very hostile to the autonomous existence of town union in various autonomous communities. Now, in that law, the governor or whoever he so wishes will be made the CGC chairman of the community government. Nobody from the community had hand in the selection, in the appointment, and in the nomination of that person. So, the whole essence of that union was eroded. Because that union is for the community. It is not for the government. So that was why when Barrister Azog said and Mr. Pinto said, no politician. I said, yes, we take responsibility. But how do we cure it? We have gone beyond. How do we cure it? When I was elected as the deputy governor of Imo State, I wrote to SUB of Fukuta and I told him that we must have a town union that will represent the interests of the community. How do we do it? I gave them guidelines. Ndo CG nominate one person. Ndo Wefu nominate one person. Ndo Uwe nominate one person. Ndo Oba nominate one person. Then and they will be given transitional period to conduct election according to the OCDU constitution, and that is how it's supposed to be. Any person who is in government who think by appointing somebody as a town union that you get that community, you have made a worse mistake. I tell you from experience, if you allow the community to evolve their leadership, it will be easy for you to even sell government programs to that community through their elected representative. The man you appointed, the community must resist him because they never nominated him. They don't know how he was appointed. So, hear this thing. In summary, to cure this, so that I never owe any funny in I will advise that you cannot confront government. The town union constitution is registered with the local government. It is the local government that recognizes the town union. Fortunately enough, one of us, is the town union, is the local government chairman. I don't want to be misquoted. I've said that the local government regulates the authorities of the town union. In Fukuta matter, it is a locus classicus. The High Court of Fukuta decided that the chairman cannot appoint a caretaker Fukuta community OCDU. It is a substituting judgment of Fukuta High Court. But you must start somewhere. What I want us to do is that this town union Abuja branch, Yemenia, Hoputa, Madonone, Yepuation, whether meet us even or foreigner. And tell us if they let me for dynamically. After meeting us, they will have. We want to have the town union. We want to have an OCDU. When you talk to him, you get his reaction, you get back to SGB, and you start the processes. There are some functional town unions, OCDU in Nigeria. We have the Port Harcourt branch. Port Harcourt branch is very functional. Lagos branch is very functional. Owerri branch is very functional. Enugu branch. So by the time you people have met the chairman, met the SGB, you set up a transitional period. You can elect, pick some of your children. No, not an eye. The SGB cannot do it. SGB cannot do it. It's beyond his power. Because you are aware the governor can remove any transitional life. You are aware what is happening in the country. The powerful area of that was removed and held it before. So don't push to SGB what you know he cannot do. And if he does otherwise, then welcome him. So now you have your son as the local government chairman. Why can't we go and meet him and tell him we want our own time union? I hear what he say, and we take this from here. And chairman will carry on.
Our value, our custom, and our tradition. This is the time to present our people to you. This is to begin last week. I think the prize is getting test. And the pride in the happiness, and the pride with joy, and the pride with joy. Please, sir, let it go academy, please. It's a moment to rejoice. There's no moment where things will happen. I think this is where we want to do something which is very special to us.
teachers for the school, they teachers for primary school. So it is in the school that we are addressing because of me. This is very man. What is the presentation man?
everybody. And from time to time, as one of the EG that set up the computer training center to train children. Yes, people like that, but it was instrumental in it. We are saying thank you to him for his contribution in terms of employment of people and infrastructure development. We say thank you. The person I'll call the honor of God, Mrs. Angela Lucas Camille. In our meeting, if you look at the notes, is somebody that is focused self-employment. If you look at the right, is somebody Mrs. Lucas self-employment. I cannot begin to, and these people, some of them are very, very serious character. I know one person that has used his own position to give at least 11 people jobs in further service. So he is the mother that has silently raised yellow water and employed a lot of people. May we all rise to him high in the land of purpose. Last person as Adoha Ogosa. You know, when we are discussing about this award, our name came up, and they said, what has she done? And she's not from Oguta. She married into Oguta and assumed the ABUG, and I used her own national office right through to the position of the permanent secretary in the Federal Civil Service, and has impacted a lot of lives. We say congratulations and thank you so much. I say thank you.
All right. Okay, so you're all good.
I will conclude this session. I will say that one or two people are not deserving of award. But before I leave the stage, two things. First, I was thanked personally, Professor Gobi.
Just the two of them.
You know, I'm thanking him in my place, but I don't want to miss out. Professor Gobi will call him to send money for him to come to deliver this lecture. He said, I'm missing you. They traveled by road to come to deliver this lecture. He didn't ask us for money, but it is contribution. But I told the chairman, he was giving him enough money to travel by air. And so the position of a professor is not easy. There's no reason why he should come by road. Please, chairman, I'm making the public. He was not money to travel by flight, and money was given to him as an honorary. I'll be quick. Thank you. Finally, the award is just one of them should be able to say 2 words. Message. most humbly, on behalf of my awardees,
After this,
our mother,
call the awardees to stand.
tonight, please, on our behalf, who's speaking on behalf of our youth. We are nice to say no. Before I do that, can use the opportunity to recognize a very good friend of mine and of the Dr. Ejikechuku, who is in our midst this morning, this evening. Chamber, and all of us, everything much more we can have interest, and with time, His Excellency will give me a minute or two to make damage. So I should use one opportunity to recognize that my boss up here in Montreal General Service retired, just like TCG retired, briefly said. This is a man now really going able. And if the person can do especially type of English, or somebody that are receiving music to happens in his career, my controlling of the federal institution. Since all of my friends are well, all of my work for them, and all of them. So we really appreciate this. Over the panel, we should thank the organizers, the Robotia Community Development Union of the for recognizing us and giving us this award. All the good design of what we have. The governor who gave anything more than anything, but he has pleased the committee to select us as recipients. So I need to be very grateful and true to good award. Thank you so very much. Responsibility. Please, man, Your Excellency, please, I will want all our awardees, please, for group photograph, please. People.
They are stabbing me. What will do? We will remove that.
All I want is to come over here. Please, all the awardees, please come forward here. You're distinguished. You're distinguished. You're distinguished. All the awardees, please come forward, please. Thank you very much. Please, can you come forward? Thank you very much. Please, while taking the photograph, put a smile on your face. Make it not be like nothing to be that. So people should go. All right. Please. Chairman, sir. I have to fly back to USA. Yes. I take note. Okay, please, representative, go and meet them. Ghana has please. Beautiful. Please, you can put a smile on your face. Now, better to carry you come. Even though with the most with a smile. Yes. Your Excellency, I like your smile. Very deep. You have a deep thought. Better people. Thank you very much. So, celebrate you, man. You just look 80 years of the world mother. If you celebrate long life will follow you. Have you done so? Please, let's welcome. And you better a value model. I don't know who you go value. Let's value this model.
Thank you.